Today we will learn how to create a super fast and professional e-commerce website. You can create super fast and professional e-commerce website in just one click. Also, we are getting awesome design on home page. We are getting professional admin panel to control this e-commerce website. We can control all the functionality and features of the website through the admin panel. In admin panel, we are getting very important functionality to manage e-commerce website. Using these functionalities and features, we can manage the e-commerce website very easily. Now I will introduce you to the wonderful and important features of your website. Then we will learn how to create this professional e-commerce website. Website customers can easily track their orders. Customers can also select any of their specific product categories. And customers can search for any type of products. We can easily change the website language. We can add the currency of any country to the website. Customers can easily register on our website. And sellers can also register on our website. This is an excellent option. Then customers can log in their account very easily. We can display many products on the home page. Customers can easily order the products of their choice. Here customers have to submit their order information and then can confirm the order very easily. Now I will discuss with you seller account. Sellers can view earnings information and products information on their account dashboard. And they can upload any of their products. Sellers can select digital products and physical products to upload. And sellers can sell any kind of products very easily by submitting their product information here. Sellers can view customer order information. And you can see the order return information. We can easily generate coupon codes for customers. For this we need to submit coupon code information here. Then sellers can request to withdraw their earned money. Also, sellers are getting important functionalities and features to manage their accounts. Now we will learn step by step how to create this professional e-commerce website. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create professional super fast e-commerce website. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also, you get source code update version for lifetime, and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you. If you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create an account using Google, Apple and Facebook. Or we can create an account by submitting correct information here. I have already created an account on Envato, so I will account login now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using 3 international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to the download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow, now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Now we will purchase domain hosting to publish professional super fast e-commerce website online. You can purchase high-quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the Hostinger website in the video description. If you buy domain hosting from Hostinger, you will get many benefits. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for over 6 years because their domain hosting service is very high quality. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You definitely get a free domain with these packages. Also, you get many more features with these packages. You get 30 days money back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. Or you can get direct support from us. You will find all our contact information in the video description. You can purchase any package as per your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase the business web hosting package. We must purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create accounts through Google. Wow, we are getting 64% discount. We have to pay a total of $59.88. We can purchase domain hosting using many international payment gateways. You can purchase domain hosting using your preferred payment gateway. We need to submit account information here to make payment. For example, we will now pay by banking card. For this, we need to submit correct card information here. Then we have to confirm the payment by clicking this button. Our payment complete. We will now click on the Start Now button. We can now choose a domain for free. You can choose any domain of your choice. I will now choose any domain of my choice absolutely free. Now we have to click on the Continue button. Then we have to go to the next step. Now we have to submit the domain address information here step by step. Then we have to click on the Finish Registration button. Now click on the Finish Setup. Now we will go to the Hosting Control panel. Wow, we have successfully purchased domain hosting from Hostinger. Now we will change the PHP version of the hosting panel. We will select PHP 8.1 version as per source code documentation. Then we will go to the file manager to upload the source code. Now we will go to public HTML folder. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Then we will upload this zip file to the hosting panel. Our zip file is upload complete. Now we will extract this zip file. We need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete this zip file. Then we need to select all these files. Now we need to submit these files to the public HTML folder. Now we will delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. We can change the site title. Now we have to submit database information here. Now we will learn how to create database in hosting panel. Then we will learn how to connect hosting panel database information to website. For this, please follow this video completely. Now we will click on Install button. Then we need to submit admin login information. Now we have to click on Create button. Wow, our source code install complete. As you can see, our super fast professional e-commerce website is completely ready. So let's now log in the admin panel. Now we will learn how to customize the important functionality and features of admin panel. First, we will customize the settings section. Now we have to do purchase verification. For this, we need to submit purchase verification information here. We have successfully added the license to the website. Now we will submit the general information here. First, we will submit the admin email. Then we can change the time zone. And we can select the default language with the website. We can select language direction. We will enable error reporting. Any problem on our website will be reported by email. We can change the admin logo. Then we can change the favicon of the admin panel. Also, we can change background of admin login screen. We can change the admin panel title here. Then we can change the admin language direction. You can select Rich Editor by default. And you can select theme color of admin panel. We can enable the cache system of the website. We can enable website optimize speed system. We can easily enable the FAQ section. We can blacklist different keywords and emails or domains. We can also easily integrate Google Analytics with the website. We can select the type of blog post. Then we can select the newsletter API. Now we will add Google CAPTCHA for website security. Now we will learn how to create Google CAPTCHA. Then we will learn how to connect Google CAPTCHA information to website. If we want to use nice slider on website, then we enable this section. Then we have to click on the Save Settings button. Now we will set up email with website. We must use the SMTP mail server. We need to submit SMTP mail server information here. Now we will learn how to create mail server in hosting panel. Then we will learn how to add hosting mail server information to website. For this, you have to follow this video completely. Wow, we have successfully added the mail server to the website. We can also enable and disable important features in the email section. And you can edit email templates. We can add any country language to the website. For this, we have to submit the language information correctly here. Now we will go to the media section. Here we can add to many companies' storage websites. I will use local disk storage for now. We can add default placeholder images. We can also customize the storage sizes in different ways. We can change the various important URLs of the website step by step. And we can add social logins of various companies to the website. Now we will go to cron job section. Now we will learn how to set up cron job in hosting panel. For this, please follow this video completely. We can easily provide API for developers. Now we will go to appearance section. Then we will go to theme section. In this section we are getting a theme design for now. In the future we will get some more designs when the source code is updated version. We can easily customize the menu section of the website. Here we see some default menus. We can delete these default menus if we want. And we can edit each of the default menus. Here we get great features for editing menus. We can use these features to customize the menus nicely. We can translate the languages by clicking on the plus icon. We can easily customize the widgets section of the website. Here we can customize each feature step by step. Now we will go to theme options section.